Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Please tell us your name and a little bit about yourself.
My name is Tanatswa. I'm currently studying tourism and hospitality, and I love playing the guitar.
Okay. Take it off.
Kumberi kunei kunyangwe mvura yekutambudzika payaidzika nematamandaivepo kuva munyaradzi ndini ndaive munyaradzi kuva munyaradzi ndini ndaive munyaradzi akazondisiya ndirimo namondega takonana tanga tatokonana kosiko mundamberima yauramega takonana tanga tatokonana ndakamuti chiriyo tosangana mberiyo takonana tanga tatokonana umwe yakazozara yozara nemasana takonana tanga tatokonana asi watokangano kambepo kaitirova muchando kumbese rimwe chetera waiziva ndini wako wakambotsva maoko nekapoto kasina mubato uya yakakura patakaiwana tifamba chinambo zvese zviye kwaingova kuchungana kwembudzi varume here anouya kuhope ndire hope dzachunde dzerumwe rudzi varume here zvese zviye kwaingova kuchungana kwembudzi varume here anouya kuhope ndire hope dzachunde dzerumwe rudzi varume here zvese zviye mkoma.
Wow.
Woo!
Beautiful.
Tanato, oh my God. I felt the passion for what you do in that performance, though I could hear in some of your breaths that you were nervous, but you nailed that audition.
Thank you.
According to me. My only critique would be when you are asked to come for an African competition, you just dress African. I only imagined that it was going to be more mind-blowing if you had dressed more African.
I love your voice. I love the dynamics that you gave us through your vocal. You kept us like watching you. You kept us wanting to hear more, and the attitude went well with the song as well.
I love your voice. I love the dynamics and the emotion. You were talking to us through the song. Like I felt the song when you were singing it. So yeah.
And that means a great deal because you know who she sings with, right?
I loved it. I loved you.
I'll say yes.
I'll give you a yes too.
I'll give you a yes too.
3 yeses. See you in the next round.
See you in the next round. Well done.
pachipera nezuva, tungamira nekutungamirwa, tiri vana venyu. Komukutaura nekuomoka, tiri vana venyu. Komukufunga nemukurota, tiri vana venyu, tiri vana venyu. Ivanesu Mwari Baba, Mwari Baba Ivanesu, Ivanesu Mwari Baba, Mwari Baba Ivanesu, Ivanesu Mwari Baba, Mwari Baba Ivanesu, Ivanesu Mwari Baba, Mwari Baba Ivanesu. Lord God, we are your children. We are your children, oh God. Lord God, we are your children. We are your children, oh God.
How are you feeling now?
Yeah, I feel great.
How do you feel about that performance in particular?
Honestly, it's just being too emotional and being nervous at the same time.
Okay. What I would say is nerves are good because they bring out, it means that you appreciate what you do and you respect what you do. So if you're not nervous, you don't really care. But if you are, then you're taking what you do seriously. The downside for me was, you said it was very emotional, but I liked the emotion in the song. That song, if you know the meaning behind it, it's very, I get goosebumps every time I listen to it. And I was expecting, when I heard the Mbira riff, I was like, yes, bring it home. But I missed that from you. Your voice is very beautiful, but you need the emotion to carry it, especially singing the song that you were singing. I don't know how the other judges felt.
Yeah, I would say you needed to breathe. You were in a rush.
Whoa.
You were in a rush to finish the song. I don't know what was happening inside you, but you could have, breathed through the song.
Yeah.
You were so much in a rush.
Yeah, so my comment is really the same with the other two judges, that I felt like you're just trying to race through the song to get to the end and just breathing so that we can also hear the Mbira. We can hear it, but because you're singing throughout it, there's no spacing in between. Everything is being drowned. So I think your take home is to ensure that you take time to put emotion and you take time to just give the song the respect that it's owed, so that we can appreciate it as well. For me, it's a no for now. I need you to go and work. But there is potential, there's great potential. Just work on those things that we have asked you to work on.
Yeah, I would also agree with Chawe. I think you need more practice to be composed when you offer what you want to offer to us. Yeah, I would say again, breathe. Don't rush when you sing, please.
Please come back next year. Evelyn, please.
So, hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
What's your name? Tell us about yourself, just a little bit.
My name is Batsirai Shasha.
Okay.
I'm an Afro-jazz artist.
Mm-hmm.
I love music, and that's why I'm here. Fambira mberi wewe, amayanguka. Fambira mberi wewe. Tarira mberi wewe. Tarira mberi wewe. Fambira mberi. Fambira mberi wewe. Tarira mberi. Tarira mberi we, nekuti zuva, rino buda mangwanani, iro zuva kani, rino buda mangwanani,
chero chongweiro rinorira mangwanani aiwa chongweiro rinorira mangwanani usacheuke usaringe shure tarira mberi wewe udone pasi uire pasi tarira mberi wewe zvinhu zvingaomesa iko zvingarwadza iko ayayayaya iro zuva kani maiwe rinobuda mangwanani ndikuudze iwewe ndati iro zuva kani maiwe rinobuda mangwanani chero chongweiro terera rinorira mangwanani kani no musamire unosvika chete
But see, we all didn't want that to end, right? But wagara naro basa kayo.
I think so.
I love that.
But I'm always learning every day. I just love music, so I was like, let me go.
Great choice.
Thank you.
Thank you. And that's an own composition.
Yeah, it is.
Fantastic songwriting skills over there.
Thank you.
That's something that I would love to play in my car driving,
Right.
road trip. Beautiful.
Thank you.
When you hit that sweet spot, those high notes, I was like, I am here for it. Should I take my wig off and dance? But guess what? That was amazing.
Thank you.
One note from me, singer to singer, is Pacheaba Banamuna. It was just you and us. We needed to see your eyes. You've got so much charisma when you speak, when you sing. You've got a wonderful voice. We want to connect with you more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you so much.
I enjoyed that.
Thank
I
you.
enjoyed it. So yeah, if you do make it to the next round, that's when I'll give you your critique. But I think for today you did what you needed to do for the audition. You came prepared for an audition. So yeah, kudos to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I've got nothing to take out from what they've both said, but you're amazing. Well
Thank
done.
you. Thank you so much.
It's a yes to the next round.
Thank you.
It's a yes.
Hey, sir.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are
You're
you?
looking at us like we're about to eat you or something. What's your name?
My name is Kundai.
Kundai. How old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
All right. How did you hear about Celebrate Africa?
Via WhatsApp. A friend of mine sent me a poster.
Who's that friend?
Her name is Titi, but then
Shout out, Titi.
Shout out to me.
I'm just joking. I hope you're relaxed now. Take a deep breath and blow us away.
All right. Thank you.
Mwana wani uyo, ndapenyerwa ini, ruvarani iro, ritema ndaremerwa hana inini ndamuda rega ndishande ndiunganidze mari ndirongereje zuva remarora musandinyengedze shamwari dzangu hapana umwe ane moyo wangu runako rwake runopedza nyota yangu vakomana ndenge ndauna mukadzi wangu mwana wani uyo ndapenyerwa ini ruvarani iro ndipeyo ini ane kandaritema vudzi ritema ndaremerwa hana inini ndamuda
Thank you.
Peñero.
Yeah.
Oh. Is that your own composition?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. That's a beautiful song.
Thank you.
Yeah, I love it. Oh, but on Gochimba, I wanted to feel good. Yes, opinion was great. Is the you were like singing more to yourself, and we wanted to feel what you're feeling. I'd say eye contact.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your voice sounds great. Even your guitar playing is also beautiful. So you can easily serenade people, but your look isn't matching what you're saying. It isn't matching even the competition. So if you are to go through to the next round, just think about those things so that you give us a wholesome experience of Kundai.
I completely agree. Totally agree. Because you have the voice. And we are the three ladies. My baby. So when I look at you, the first note, I was like, neo soul, music soul child. I even thought of Ed. Ladies?
I'll give you a yes.
You know what? I'll give you a yes too.
Yeah. You will have 3 yeses.
Please work hard.
Yeah.
Yeah. No tracksuits, no more. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Kundai.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Desmond.
What makes you think you're going to win this?
Because I'm gonna give myself to the world. Yes.
Let's hear what you got.
Thank you.
Mthwalo wami uyandisinda, ndiyacela ndiphathise olole izandla zakho, andifuna ukufana nabanikezela. Umthwalo wami uyandisinda, ndiyacela ndiphathise olole izandla zakho, andifuna ukufana nabanikezela.
Beautiful, thank you. So soothing. So soft. I love the way you played your guitar.
I would have wanted maybe slightly more from you. I feel like there's something, I can't put my finger onto it at the moment. I feel like there's something more that you could have given us. Like you've held back a bit. Yes, the song is soothing and it's quite a calm song, but there was something that I'm missing. But I will commend you for having a very soothing voice. Your voice is very calm, very soothing. And you composed yourself very well for an audition. So kudos to that.
Thank you.
Could it not be a wrong song choice?
Yeah, maybe. Are you in Ndebele or Shona speaking?
No, I'm sure now. Pure sure.
Interesting.
Do you have something upbeat? I'm sorry, I didn't connect with the song. I mean, I'm just being sincerely honest.
Yeah, I think I have.
Something upbeat. I'm going to give you 10 seconds
10 seconds.
to do it as quick as you can. The fastest song, something, I want to see another side of you.
Wandinzo ndichide tiratia tikatidai wambotsa lisangua nekuti zvimwe pamwe mbe boitouya asiramba uchingo penyu kungezua kungezua.
That's really hard for
What
me
do you
to say
think?
now. Yeah, his voice is beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
But like Chawe said, I thought he was going to pick out the song that he would go like all out.
Yeah.
You start.
For me, I would say no.
Okay.
Based on the first initial audition, yes. So to be a no.
Madam?
I'm sorry to say, I'm going to say no because I was expecting something different from...
Guys, that means I'm outnumbered because I was going to give you a yes. I wanted you to go home and do your homework. But you know what 2 no's mean.
Yeah.
But please do come back next year with all of this criticism. This is
Please.
by no means a no for the industry. Yeah.
Please come back on the real. Do come back next year.
You do
Yeah.
have a lovely voice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming today.